Alright, welcome back. Today we're gonna react to the new music video by ZPX, Zong Pha Xiong. It's called Yalama.
Hi, my name is William Yang. I'm a real estate agent with Creators.
Alright, it starts with an ad within an ad. Pretty cool.
I can help you either.
I have that as my ringtone too. Well, I did at one point. So this is the intro.
Hey babe.
I just wanted to know that I love you and just promise.
The editing is not as easy as it looks. Okay, I don't understand the lyrics on the screen, but it's okay. Cassette tape. Haven't seen one of those in a while. Like this video if you know what a cassette tape is or have some. Okay, I like this. I wonder who's rapping. Is he rapping?
Let's get it.
No, this don't sound like him. I like that transition. And the shoes and the backpack pretty dope. Ooh! Yeah. I like these lyrics. Something like, I'm gonna love you until we're old. It's like when we were still kids. Oh. Who was that? Sure Bang? Yeah. Like some sausages. Oh, the ZPX is a cashier. Oh, there's another ad. 75 Market. Fat House Barbecue. There's another ad. Oh, ZPX again. That's 3 ads I've seen. It's pretty cool how they incorporate these ads in here. That's illegal. Taking pictures and videos on a railroad track is illegal. Ooh, I love his lyrics. This beat is pretty dope. Okay, I don't see what he's doing here. I mean, I don't know what he's doing here. Oh, he's giving his cassette tape to that guy. I know that guy somewhere. The ZPX again. He's in every scene. Well, obviously, it's his video. That 651 beer. That's another ad. That's like 5 ads. I haven't tried that yet. I would love to though. Oh, I guess he's a DJ. The lighting in this video is on point. Oh, now he's a DJ. I have that camera too. Somewhere. But she's missing a light bulb in her flash. I don't even know what he's saying in the rap. The ZPX's melodies are always dope. Again, lighting is on point. Okay. Is that it? Super Saiyan Stage 3.
I'm just gonna chart, but what?
Okay, I guess it's the outro, I guess.
No way, no way,
No way what?
Oh my gosh.
I don't know what's going on right here. He's showing her a picture of the cassette tape, but I don't know why she's so excited. I love her. Oh, it's Apex again. It's probably like 7 or 8 ads in here. Probably some that I missed. I like this beat. I'm gonna learn this song and karaoke to it. Alright, so the music video I think was okay. Video editing was pretty dope. I like the transitions. I like the way they did everything. That requires a lot of time and hard work. Music video was okay. I did understand the story between the guy and the girl. The intro I can still understand, but the outro, when he calls her and she's very excited and she's like, oh my god, no way what, you know, I don't really know, but I guess that's up to the viewers to decide what they think it is. What I think it is maybe he got an offer for his song. That's why he's showing her a video of his song playing on his phone. I don't know. But the way they incorporated the ads in here, I thought it was really cool. Instead of having an ad play and then go to the music video, they actually incorporated the ads into the music video that went along with the music video. So that was pretty cool. This is probably one of the first Hmong music videos that I've seen like this. As for the song itself, I love that song. I try to listen to a lot of Hmong music because, you know, that's my heritage, that's my background. There's a lot of Hmong musicians that I like, and ZPX is definitely one of them. When I first heard Little Gu, I didn't know who he was, but I was always blasting that song. That song hits me deep because I could totally relate to those lyrics. And this song is a happier song, but with a slow beat also, and it's pretty dope. This beat is pretty dope. I don't know who produced this beat, but it's dope as hell. The rapping, I think, is okay. It's not some hardcore rap, but the rapping goes along with this song. And the lyrics in the raps, I didn't catch all of them. I catch some of them, but I think the parts where he sings and the melody, that was a whole nother level. And ZPX, he never fails to amaze me. Keep it up. I love this song. I want more stuff like this. So anyways, that's what I thought about this music video. My name is G Lee, and you're watching GL Studios.